Yes, children, today we shall start exercise 6.3, question number 2 on triangle and its properties. Questions based on different properties of the triangles. Okay. In this figure, what do you observe? That angle y plus 120, they are forming a linear pair. So we write here y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degrees. So because they form a linear pair, therefore y is equal to what? 180 degree minus 120 degree. So this is equal to 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. Now you have got this angle y is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Now we need to find x. So we use angle sum property. This angle plus this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. So according to angle sum property, x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. Now x plus 50 plus 60 is 110 degrees, which is equal to 180 degree. So what is the value of x? You shift this 110 this side, it becomes 110 minus 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70 degrees. Alright. Now we come to this question. Now you see here these two angles. Which kind of angles you see them? They are vertically opposite angles. So you write here angle y is equal to 80 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Now you have found out this angle as 80 degree. You know 50 degree. You can find this using angle sum property. So according to angle sum property, 80 degree plus 50 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now 80 plus 50 is 130 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now you have to find x. So you shift it this side. It becomes 180 minus 130 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. So you have got this angle as 50 degree. Alright. Now we come to the third question. You know 50 degree, 60 degree, and you have to find angle y. So we will use angle sum property. According to angle sum property, 50 degree plus 60 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. So we write here 50 degree plus 60 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now 50 plus 60 is 110 degree plus y equal to 180 degree. So we have to find out y. We shift this 110 this side, it becomes 180 minus 110 degree. So you get 70 degree. It means you have calculated y as 70 degree. Now see this, they both form a linear pair. So what happens now? Now x plus this is 70 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Reason? Linear pair. Alright. So x is equal to how much? This shift this side, 180 minus 70 degree. So this is equal to 110 degree. Am I clear? Okay. Now let's start the next one. In this question you see, this is 60 degree. So this one will be 60 degree. That is angle x will be 60 degree. Why it will be 60 degree? They are vertically opposite angles. You write here vertically opposite angles, right? Now you know this angle as 60 degree. So this angle plus this angle plus this is equal to 180 degree. So now according to angle sum property, this 60 degree plus 30 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now 60 plus 30 is 90 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now we have to find out y. So we shift 90 this side. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. Clear? So we have found out angle y as 90 and angle x as 60. Coming to the next question. Now see, this is 90. So angle y is also 90. Angle y is 90 degree. Why? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So now you have got this angle as 90 degree. Now these two angles are equal. Now we will use angle sum property. So according to angle sum property, 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Now 90 degree, x plus x is how much? It is 2x equal to 180 degree. Now we shift 90 this side. So we have 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Okay. So 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. So we have 2x is equal to 90 degree. Now we want to find x. So we need to remove this. So x is equal to 90 degree upon 2, which is equal to 45 degree. Alright. So each of these angles are 45 degree each. Now coming to this question, see here. Let us mark these angles. Let me mark this as 1 and let me mark this as 2. Okay. Now you see angle 1 and x are equal, vertically opposite angles. So we write here angle 1 is equal to x. Now similarly angle 2 is also equal to x, vertically opposite angles. So we write angle 2 is equal to x. Now you see here angle y, this is also equal to x, vertically opposite. So we write angle y is equal to x. Now according to angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle y is equal to 180 degree. And we find that angle 1 is also x, angle 2 is also x, and angle y is also x. So this is equal to 180 degree. 3 times x means 3x is equal to 180 degree. So we have to find the value of x. So x will be equal to 180 divided by 3. So this will be equal to 60 degree. So measure of the angle, all the angles x is 60 degree, and this also y is, since y is equal to x, so angle y is also 60 degree. Alright. Now let us come to try these on page 122. The very first question, two angles of the triangle are 30 and 80 degree. Find the third angle. So let the third angle be x. Then the other two angles are what? 30 degree and 80 degree. Right? Now according to angle sum property, sum of the three angles is 180 degree, that is 80 degree plus 30 degree plus the third angle x is equal to 180 degree. Now 80 plus 30 is how much? 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. We have to find out x. Shift this side, 180 degree minus 110 degree. Subtract this, you get 70 degree. Therefore, third angle is equal to 70 degrees. Now coming to question number 2. One of the angles of the triangle is 80 degree. So, one angle of triangle is equal to 80 degree. The other two angles are equal. So, we don't know the angles. So, let the two equal angles be x each. मतलब क्या है इसका कि तीन एंगल्स होते हैं, उसमें एक 80 डिग्री है, दूसरा x है और तीसरा भी x है. ठीक है. सो नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी, 80 डिग्री प्लस x is equal to 180 degree. Now 80 degree x plus x is 2x, which is equal to 180 degree. अब हमें 2x निकालना है, so 2x is equal to, ये इधर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, 180 degree minus 80 degree. So 2x is equal to 100 degree. Now we have to find out x, so we remove 2. So this becomes x is equal to 100 upon 2, which is equal to 50 degree. So measure of the two equal angles of a triangle are 50 degree each. Now coming to the third question, the three angles of the triangle are in the ratio 1:2:1. ओके, जब ये रेशियो में होता है तो हम इसमें एज्यूम करते हैं कि लेट द कॉमन रेशियो बी एक्स. ये ध्यान रखने वाली बात है. जब भी रेशियो के क्वेश्चन होंगे हम पहले एज्यूम करेंगे लेट द कॉमन रेशियो बी एक्स. अब 1:2:1 का मतलब यह है कि ये फर्स्ट एंगल हो गया 1x, दूसरा वाला हो गया 2x और तीसरा वाला हो गया 1x. देन द थ्री एंगल्स of the triangle are 1x, 2x and 1x. Okay. Now according to angle sum property वही हम लगाएंगे 1x plus 2x plus 1x is equal to 180 degree, sum of the three angles. अब 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4, तो 1x plus 2x plus 1x is 4x equal to 180 डिग्री. ठीक है. अब हमें निकालना है x, तो इसको रिमूव करना है, तो x is equal to 180 upon 4. ओके. अब हम इसको जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 45 डिग्री. ठीक है. तो अब इसमें क्या है, देखो दो एंगल्स, अब ये तो x निकला, तो 2x क्या हो गया, 2 into 45 विच इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. तो हमारे दो एंगल्स क्या, तीनों एंगल्स क्या क्या हो गए, फर्स्ट एंगल हो गया 45 डिग्री, सेकेंड हो गया 45 डिग्री, और हमारा जो थर्ड एंगल हो गया 90 डिग्री. ठीक है. अब देखो ये ट्रायंगल कुछ इस तरीके का बनेगा. ठीक है. जिसमें कि ये 90 डिग्री हो गया, ये हो गया 45 डिग्री और ये भी हो गया 45 डिग्री. ठीक है. तो अब हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है इसमें, क्लासिफाई द ट्रायंगल इन 2 डिफरेंट वेज. ठीक है. तो क्योंकि ये 90 डिग्री है तो हम इसको कैसे क्लासिफाई करेंगे, क्लासिफिकेशन इन 2 डिफरेंट वेज. फर्स्ट वे में हम इसको कैसे बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि 90 डिग्री है तो राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल. ठीक है. अब ये दोनों 45 डिग्रीज हैं, दो एंगल्स 45 डिग्रीज हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये दो साइड्स भी इक्वल होंगी. ये हम आगे एक आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल प्रॉपर्टी है उसमें पढ़ेंगे कि जब दो एंगल्स इक्वल होते हैं तो उनके ऑपोजिट में जो दो साइड्स होती है, मतलब जैसे ये एंगल है इसके ऑपोजिट में ये साइड और ये एंगल है इसके ऑपोजिट में ये साइड, ये दोनों इक्वल होंगे. मतलब अगर ये दोनों इक्वल है तो ये दोनों भी इक्वल होंगे. तो अब दो साइड्स अगर इक्वल हो गई तो किस टाइप का ट्रायंगल होगा, ये आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. तो इसको सेकेंड वे में हम कैसे क्लासिफाई करेंगे, आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. दिस इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंगल एंड दिस इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ साइड. ठीक है. So this is all about this exercise. In the next class we shall start with think, discuss and write.